Oh,
You're going to chill out as well.
looks like I might not.
Honestly, that's okay. I really appreciate it. I know that you've come straight from work. So tuck that in.
Tuck that away.
So let's grab my kit book.
Love this bag.
Yeah.
Love it.
Just wipe over this.
See, this bag in itself is so like ASMR and tactile. It's just amazing. Yeah.
I love it. Beautiful.
I will.
You will be easy with it. Well, now it's going to wipe over. Just remove that for you. How's your skin been? Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. I've been using some tanning drops.
Oh, lovely. Like a gradual tanner. Yeah, they're great, aren't they? I need to start doing like all over body tanning.
Oh, I know. It's got to that stage. I know. It's like, oh, I need colour now.
You're still going to the gym?
Yes, I haven't been because I've got the dog at the minute full time because she's mine, but my sister's in Thailand. So, yes, I can't really get there as much, but I'm going tomorrow. We finish early tomorrow, so I'm going to go.
Where are you going to go gym-wise?
I'll stay here because I'll go straight from work. So perfect, yeah, honestly, really good.
You close or me?
Yeah, no, I'll still stay here. In fact, I'll probably be able to go more. Again.
Let's grab bits of my might be a little bit cold. Squirrel on the roof. Let me just grab a little bit of oil on because I need to get a little bit of dry skin, don't you? Sound like they've got a disco going on.
I think it's the skull. Oh, that smells so nice. I think I said that last time.
This is the lavender.
It's lovely.
It's nice just to get some of that hydration. Just add a little bit more to those areas. Just get a bigger brush. Just see if I can colour match. Move your head just slightly. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. Okay. You jump. You jump. Just gonna add that concealer just underneath. Let's work that in. You can imagine, can't you, in the school, because there's a school next door on this side, and they're in a school disco. You can imagine the little kid on the best time. Although they can get very excited, can't they? They're really little. If you see that there's any sort of drier areas, I'll just work a little bit more oil in. So just work in just a little bit. Just press that on that area. And then press it down. Let's go in with this one. It's just quite a peachy shade, quite a fresh spring look. Sometimes I like just to get the blush on, and then I can always go back in a little bit more. And go in for the brows, just a little bit. Just enhance small amount here. Same this side. Light strokes. Work that in. And then I'm just going to go in with just a really nice base. This one here. Just a wash on the lid, just to give a little bit of sheen there. A little bit of spark. Iridescent. Not so much glitter, but definitely highlighty. Let's go in where the blending brush. Kelly's already got a little bit of mascara on already. So I'm just going to work in a little bit of definition now along the lash line. Just a really nice brown. Blend that in. It's a little bit of a warmer. Kelly's quite lucky because she really suits the cooler browns. And then the warmer. So work same this side. A little bit on the outer corner. Just blend that. And then going in a little bit more in between. Just gently tapping. And then working in just with a just if you open your eyes for me, Kenny, I'm just going to work a little bit just above here. To see just here, a bit more above, just blending. And I'll go back in with a bit more and then work that in, and then if there is any fall down, just go in with that fluffier brush, this one here, and then actually knock that away, just blend, and then I like going in with the thicker just underneath, just as a bit of shading. All the way along, and then sometimes what I like doing is just going in with a bit of extra concealer, just to make sure that's looking really clean. So just blending that out, and then you can kind of see it's really, really natural still. And then at this point I like spraying just before I go in with a bit of powder. I like to get a little bit of alcohol and setting spray on the skin, and then I can work over the top of that. This one is a bit temperamental, so I'm going to pop it like that. And then I can always go in with the brush and just work it in the top. There. Just powder. Just sticky areas. Sorry, it's okay. Just pressing that in. Okay, good. Look at that. Do you know you're TikTok famous now, Evie? Just pop a little bit of balm. Brush your lipstick in there. Brilliant, thanks, Kelly. And then pop just a little bit, which is not too much because Kelly's already got mascara on already. Sometimes I just like going over just a bit extra. If you look down for me, just lift and then add just coat over the top to the roots. Lovely, if you look straight ahead. Brilliant. And go in with just quite a nude on your lip, I think, and then I can always go in over the top and just add some more hydration over the top of this. Lovely. Actually, for Kelly, I think I'm going to go in with just a little bit of pink as well. Just mix that in. And where I've put that balm on, that will just give it a extra hydration there. I like to brush your lips together, brilliant. And then I'll put those aside, ready to sharpen later. And then I'm just going to add just a tiny, just on the centre there. Lovely colour if you brush your lips together, brilliant. And then again, I sometimes just like to do finishing touches and then maybe add just a little bit more blush, and then let's add a nice colour for Kelly. Sure, there'll be something in here. Gee, this is a really lovely sort of bronzy. In fact, I'm just going to add just a little bit of highlight. I'll go in over the top. Just that peach here. Just intensify a little bit there. Sandwich that in. To see. It's just quite a fresh spring look. Really simple, really easy. Just going to blend to the hairline. And then add, just go in actually with just a small amount of this, just to blend that.